how to use these filters carefully to avoid getting into a stock that could tomorrow become a penny stock.
We went into the history of last 20, 25, 30 years and said, what are the reasons which led to companies becoming penny stocks of value destruction? So leverage was one, cash flows being weak, siphoning of cash, taking it to offshore entities was another, capex untimeliness was another, capital cycle wrong was another. One interesting thing which applies to Indian markets which we saw, that most of the companies which destroyed wealth never had lady family member as a part of the board.
Companies that destroyed wealth never had lady family members on the
As
board.
board.
How interesting is that? And what's the correlation?
In India, we all are very protective about the lady of the house. Mother, wife, daughter, sister, whoever it is.
Yeah.
And if promoter is doing any hanky-panky, he himself knows first. So he is of the Indian psychology is like, if any trouble comes, I can bear that trouble, but none of my other family members should have that problem.
Yeah.
So the moment he sees some problem coming in, he separates at least the lady family member of his.
Yeah.
But whenever we see a lady family member being part of the board, we get excited that it's a hygiene check.
Oh, okay.
So it's
How
a small,
interesting.
so it's a small, kind of an anecdote we have discovered. When
Women add to the trust factor.
It adds to a lot of trust factor, and
That's good to
especially men in India, they don't want trouble to happen to the lady family member out there.
Yeah.
So these are small hygiene checks which we do, and we have created a template that galtiyan kam ho. So we have to avoid big mistakes. I think that is one my key learning. Ki, have a process, and that process will only help you navigate cycles across the board.
Going for something
गलतियां
that's
तो होंगी
sparkling.
हमसे, गलतियां होंगी, छोटी गलतियां हो तब तक ठीक है, लेकिन बड़ी गलतियां जहां पर कैपिटल लॉस होना वो नहीं होनी चाहिए.